Hello, yeah, welcome back to the vegetable farm I mentioned that you can use about $2 to create. However, maximum that you're going to use is not going to be more than maybe $4, but definitely less than $5. And you can get enough vegetable that you can use for the whole year from this farm. So today, well, I'm going to show you how I'm going to mix fertilizer with the soil. This time around, I'm using organic fertilizer, that is poultry waste, which is the best inorganic fertilizer. The organic are the chemicals that you use. So this is going to be homegrown garden without using chemicals, which is best for you compared to what you get in the market. So we have our farm here, as I mentioned, and these are the two bags that I'm going to use for fertilization. So just stay tuned and watch how I go about it. So God bless.